in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Whiteside County, eastern Carroll County, until 2:45 p.m. At 1:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Garden Plain, or near Clinton, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Morrison, Mount Carroll, Fulton, Lanark, Garden Plain, Milledgeville, Fairhaven, Albany, Chadwick, Colita, East Clinton, Argo, Fay, Union Grove, Ustick, Thompson, Hitt, Ideal, Carroll County Fairgrounds, White Pigeon, and Morrison Rockwood State Park. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northwestern Illinois and east central Iowa. Take cover now.